Aloha guys, it's Christy Lani, and I got an unboxing for you of my black coral wax order. It's great. I have used it once or twice, but my girlfriend has used it on me. I mean, I really do like this wax. Well, let's just do the unboxing today, and then in a couple of days I will do the review. If you guys didn't know, I'm a licensed esthetician. I specialize in body waxing. And when I first opened it, it's a bag of black coral wax. If you guys are spa owners and haven't tried this wax here, you guys should just give it a try. I mean, I can only speak for myself. And this is inspired the newly formed Pohoki Black Sand Beach in Puna, Big Island. It's inspired from the black sand beach. That's why it's black beads. It says this is non-strip, so it's hard wax. Let's see what else it says. Yeah, but this is okay. And then I did get a wax warmer with it as well. Okay, and then they sent some sticks in the they sent some sticks as well. So they sent 2 of these. The other part came loose somehow, but that's no big deal. Okay, and then it's a dual warmer. Let's do the unboxing here. I'm excited. And these pots can come out of there. Sorry about that. You know me. Okay. And then the pots can come out. So it's just like a dual warmer, and it does have their name on it, black coral wax. So in a few, I'm gonna go and put some wax in here and then try to warm it up and see how the wax warmer is working. Alright, but that's my unboxing right here. I'm excited for this, to try this warmer and the wax. I already tried the wax before. But yeah, so we're gonna I'm gonna finish up this video in a couple of days and test out the wax as well. But I think you have to try it yourself just to know how good it is. I'm not gonna be that person, but it's a really good wax. The one thing when I'm doing waxing, what I'm looking for in a wax is for it not to crack or rip while I'm pulling it out. That's the main thing for me. And it can dry fast. Like some waxes are still tacky, so it all depends on, like, if I don't have no AC in the area that I'm waxing, the body is hot, and it's not gonna harden as fast as I would like. So you got to think about all that stuff into consideration on when you're waxing and stuff. So we're like speed waxers at work, so we want it to dry very quickly, and this one does the job for me. But let's go ahead and finish up this video. In a bit, I'm gonna go and put the wax and see how the wax warmer works. Alrighty, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. So right here I have applied a thin layer, and look how easy it comes off. Even though it's a thin layer, it still will pull the hairs out. So I would definitely recommend this wax. This is awesome. Hello guys, it's Christy, and it's been a few more days than I thought it would be to film this video, but I am here. I am finishing it up. So you did earlier see me pull a strip of wax that was really thin in some areas and the other part wasn't, but when I put it off, it came off in one piece. It did not break, tear, rip. So that's something important too that I look for in a wax. It dries fairly fast, and it does take the hair off as well, and it does stick to the hair, not the skin. Prep your skin well, and then it'll work good. If you're what else can I say? And I really would recommend this wax as a client and as a wax specialist point of view. I did like the feel on my skin when I got waxed with it. And yeah, it's a really great wax. And I will leave the Instagram link down below where you can contact the owner of this wax, or the person that sells it, and then you can message him if you're interested. And yeah, that's about it though, but it is a great wax if you guys are interested, okay? And they also have a YouTube channel as well. You can subscribe to them and then watch how they prepare and use the wax as well. Yeah, alrighty guys, so that's all for my video today, and I shall see you guys in my next upload. You guys take care, God bless. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys next time.